What's up, boys? John Flynn back here in my backtesting video. We just backtested Monday and lost. We were on the phone with my boy Veer. Kind of got a little overlooked the day. Didn't even realize something happened, and then yada yada yada. Jesus, why am I hiccuping? But whatever. We have CPI today. Clearly dumped bearish. Price, yeah, dumped overly bearish. Okay, I don't know what we do on days like this because what can we target to the downside? I guess this 4 hour low already got swept. Got this 4 hour low, this 4 hour low, this 1 hour low. We definitely have draws and liquidity to the downside, but it's just like if we can come up, manipulate these highs, and then show clear bearish signals, then definitely go short. But there we go. Manipulate these 5-minute highs, but don't break. Alright, I guess. Alright. So we currently have manipulated these highs. We want to see like a push to this imbalance. Beautiful. And then we reject off the imbalance. I kind of like that. Okay, see. We want to see NASDAQ break to the downside. There's the break to the downside. Yeah. Let's see. We should have just entered here. On ES. Stops this 1 minute high. First TP. Schmacked. Actually, it could have been full TP. What can we target here? Honestly, I think that was a trade. I think that was the trade, bro. Price is continuing lower. Alright, bro. What do you even do here? No way price is gonna go. Yeah. I think game's gone. Could target this 5-minute low. But like that's kind of like Let's see what the RR is here. Stops the body. 0.5. Shit. We have all these stacked up 1 minute highs. I like this long, honestly. It's out to the body. We could target all these highs to the upside. Opposite indexes. I'm not taking this, but let's see what plays out here. Bruh. Whatever. Move on. Okay, Wednesday, no news. No. Okay. Fuck. Okay, no news Wednesday. We can stay here. Oh, we can go up, up, up. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Currently filling this 4 hour imbalance. We are bullish. Very bullish. What we could come up to, manipulate these highs to the upside and then continue lower. Okay. Manipulated London highs. Now we want to see beautiful pullback. Now what can we target the downside? Oh, we could potentially be our targets to the downside. No, price is just dumping bearish. 5-minute retrace after breaking 5-minute structure. Way too strong of a retrace, honestly. Strong displacement, I'm taking this short. Stops by this high. 1 to 1.5. I'm taking this, no questions asked. Damn. And we get fried. Price is bullish. Jeez, bro. We low-key suck at day trading. I'm not gonna cap. Already manipulated this 30-minute low. But like, why does price want to continue higher, bro? Yeah, we're just bullish. Oh. Fuck this journal. Hold on, let's... Is that better? Damn, we're getting cooked. Let me see some. Okay, so we're getting absolutely fried. Price took out that 30-minute low and did what? Continue higher, but fuck you, because fuck you. I might deadass hop on a call with Will, and he goes over my back testing, bro, because it's horrible, bro. Guarantee you, he's winning, and I'm losing. And yeah. Alright, you know what? I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm overcomplicating it. So, price bearish. Bearish. Expecting this gap though. See what price wants to do. First 5-minute. We're bearish. Now we're bullish. You want to wait for both indexes to line up. Bro, okay, there we go. Took it out. Oh. Price could be creating a bearish SMT. What else can price be targeting? Nothing. Could be filling this hourly gap to the downside. This PA sucks. We just inverse this gap to the upside. We do have London low. London highs to be targeting. Is this the trade long? Oh, what was that? Anyways. Price completely sold off, rejecting out of this gap. Completely filled this hourly gap too. Both indexes, yes. I'm taking this long. Alright, bang. Alright, filled gap, hourly gap, SMT off Asia, 1 minute inverse. Thank you, Lord. Alright, that was pretty obvious longs there. I'm happy with that trade. Yeah, we're up back in the month. End Friday with a bang. Whoa, what happened to all my tabs? $23rd? Oh, the 16th. Core PPI and 10 AM news. So it's gotta be a little patient here. So we have London highs. Do have this. London lows. 1 hour low, no. 30-minute, no. Okay, 30. Okay, I don't think prices can come all the way down here. We're already rejecting out of this gap. I think it's an hourly gap we're rejecting off of. Okay. So price is obviously selling off, but we're kind of overextended in bearish order flow. We're still in, now we are in bearish order flow though. See what market open gives us. Market open immediately takes out London lows. Potential bullish SMT. Price is just selling off right now. I don't like it. Bro, give us some bullish momentum, bro. Like, bro, what the fuck? Why are we just dumping? What the fuck? Bro, what is this bullshit? Bro. Like, you don't do anything here, right? I don't think so. No, I'm gonna wing it. .7? Of course it bangs. Alright, bro. We're done for the day. Actually, we're gonna take a break and do the next week. See, I'll be right back, boys. Alright, boys. We're back. So 30-minute, we inverse this gap, so we seem pretty bullish. It looks like we're rejecting off this 30-minute gap currently. We do have some liquidity upside that's definitely have potential, but 4 hour bearish, 1 hour bearish. You seem very bearish, but to the downside, what do we have? We have London low. So We're definitely bearish on higher time frames, but we're currently bullish. 5-minute bearish. We want to see some like inverse this gap maybe to the upside. We should have caught that. What are we doing? We should have caught this. So price just bull ran. Could be creating a potential bearish SMT. Alright, bro. Give me like a little retrace. You just, yeah, that's nonsense, bro. Straight nonsense. Only if price gave us a setup and then bull ran the TP like that would be nice. So Monday bank holiday, Tuesday no trades, Wednesday FOMC. We could be losing hella volume. So yeah. So looks like we're pretty clear in a downtrend currently. We do have FOMC, so I don't know how market's gonna move, because usually on FOMC the day kind of moves like very choppy. Alright. Alright, market open, immediate manipulation of London low. We currently have a bullish SMT in play. We could be validating the SMT. We are respecting this 5-minute gap. We want to see. I don't think price would be printing bullish today. We sold off pretty hard. We do have some draws in liquidity that have potential to be grabbed, but we're kind of strong in bearish order flow. So we have equal lows right here. Strong displacement to the upside. Both indexes should be printing bullish. Okay. Price is just ripping bearish. Alright, bro. Took out this 4-hour low. Alright, now we want to see some bullish momentum. Reject off the gap. Beautiful. If we close above these highs, going long has potential. Okay. We have potential for longs. Strong displacement. First TP. This 30-minute high. Flow all the way up to London high. Potential. We could have an SMT. We do have an SMT off this 4-hour low. Price swept out London low. We have an SMT aligns with a strong displacement to the upside. Rejected out of this 1-minute gap. Inverse this 1-minute gap. I like this. I'm taking this on ES. Partial at this 30-minute high. Hold on. Yeah, I like this. Okay, first TP schmacked. Ooh, did we get break even? Yeah, we got break even. Hit our first TP. Alright. SMT at the 4-hour low. SMT at 4-hour low. Strong. Rejected out of 1-minute gap. Strong displacement. Placement. 1-minute inverse. It was a BOS, no? Bearish, 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 bearish. Yes. Yeah. 1 minute viewers. Targeted 30-minute highs. And B. Alright. Next winning day secured. Alright, we have 8:30 news and 9:45 PMI. Oh, jeez, 9:45 PMI. Thank you. Yoink. Yoink. Price just bull ran to all-time highs on ES. See if Nasdaq's in the same boat. All right. So we have a huge S&T divergence. ES is above all these highs. Nasdaq's below them. So huge S&T divergence. What does price want to do? Continue higher or continue lower? Respect this S&T or disrespect the S&T? Both indexes currently look like to be selling off. London lows is in play here. We swept out all these draws and liquidity to the upside. Okay. Beautiful little. Okay, bro. Price just bull ran. Do we have London highs still? Yes, we do. I kind of like this displacement. Well, we kind of missed our entry by. Oh, yes, 9:45 PMI. That's risky. Good, we stayed out of that. Alright, bro. Price is probably going to bull run now. Strong sell-off. Give me a little retrace in this gap. Alright, we checked off this gap. Beautiful. Break to the downside. Beautiful. What can we target now to the downside? We have this 5-minute low. We have market open low. And we have London low. Higher time frame. We are bullish, though. Very bullish. Both indexes. ES has nothing. We seem pretty bullish, though. Stops at the body. First TP. Is price really going to flood bearish? Or we could be getting a 5-minute retrace. A deeper retrace to what? Continue higher and sweep out this S&T divergence. We're going to take this short. Market open low. Oh, we would have lost. Alright, bro. Price rejected off of this gap. Looks like price wants to run all the way up to these highs. To market open high. Or, not market open. ES still isn't taking them out. I kind of like how he rejected out of this gap. 1 to 2. I'm taking this. I want these highs to be taken out. Alright, we got stopped out. Okay, bro, are you serious? That's retarded. Stopped out then and ran to TP. That's gay. Very gay. Bro, I keep going break even, bro. So shorts are not the play. I'm glad we didn't take those shorts. We would have got railed. Friday, no news. 25 minutes in, 2 weeks. This is our last day and we're getting off for the night. Out like a light, ayy. Out like a light, ayy. Did take out. Okay, so yes, all-time highs. London, I mean, Nasdaq's back at approach London highs. We could target 1 hour equal. Could target, okay, or just freeze for me, thanks. Could target equilibrium. Potential equilibrium. Let's just say this is equilibrium right there. See what market open does for us. Coach's bull run. This already looks like shit. So you push through this imbalance to the downside. Honestly, I don't like this at all. Okay, now I'm taking this. I'm targeting equilibrium. Showing displacement. This is equilibrium combined with this 5 minute. Both indexes are printing bearish. Higher time frame is bullish. I'm trusting my gut, bro. I'm targeting equilibrium here. No way. We're going break even. That's retarded. We got edged. Motions kicked in. TP edged. TP almost hit. Didn't. Went BE. Hits B. Then TP. Wow. Holy emotions, bro. Alright, we're done for the day. That concludes this backtesting video. Don't trade with your emotions. I'll see y'all later. Peace.